Reconditioned Graviner interface board. For testing, we connect the interface board to a spare oil mist detector unit, and we also add a spare detector head. For testing, we test the unit and we simulate the oil mist with some smoke detector testing gas sprayed on the head spout. Apart from hearing the alarm, we can also see the relevant indicator lights on both the head and the unit, as well as the message on the screen. Seeing as the unit has responded accordingly to the detector head, it is now clear that the reconditioned interface board is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.